Okay, the flashcards that NotebookLM generates, really great. Unfortunately, right now, there's no way to get them to students from within NotebookLM. We can export them, though, and put them somewhere else. I tried a few paid sites, or sites that used to be free, but now most of them are paid, makes it difficult to use. But we can kind of get around that. So if we go to Science Flashcards, which is a set of flashcards I've already created, so here they are. On the three dots right here on the screen, I can click that, and I can download my set. So this will download a spreadsheet or CSV file with all of my things in it. So it's called flashcards. I'll save it. Okay, now I'm done with NotebookLM. I'm going to go to Gemini, where I've created a gem, which is just like a repeatable Gemini prompt that does the same thing over and over again. And this is shareable, so I can send the link. And it says download your CSV file, upload it to the gem, and it will create code to embed in a Google site. So I go to the plus button down here, and I upload my flashcard file. There we go. I submit it. Okay, it reads the code, or reads the flashcards. It asks me three questions. What color do I want my flashcards to be? I'm just going to say white. Do I want a 3D flip or a fade effect? I'll go with 3D flip. And do you want to include a read aloud so students can hear the text? Sure. Please include read aloud. Okay, so I submit that. Okay, it's set them to white, 3D flip and animation, and the read aloud feature. Okay, so it's still thinking. Okay, finished. Now, unfortunately, I can't turn on the preview of the code inside here because when I do, it only ever processes 25 flashcards. I guess it's too big or too long, but I do have my code here. So all I need to do is click this little copy button here for copy code. Now, I've already made a Google website, which is where I want to put this. So I'll go to my Google website, and I need to make a new page. So I go to the bottom, mouse over the plus button. You can't click it, just mouse over and pick full page embed. I'll go to name, God Science 7 flashcards. I say add embed, and I want to embed my code. I right click and paste. Okay, looks like it worked. I say insert. Now this is still the edit view, so it won't actually work. If I want to see what it looks like, I can click the preview button right here. Preview. Okay, click terms describe, click, flips over. I can use the buttons down here. I can say got it when I think I've completed that card and we'll pull it out of the deck. I can shuffle it or I can reset everything. And you can't hear it because the way I'm sharing it right now, but if I click on this, it'll actually read out the question. And when I flip it over, it can read out the answer. So once I'm okay with this, I can go to view the published, well, I need to republish my changes. So I say published, and it'll my new website or my new page. There we go. So now I can just send the link to this thing to anybody to look at, and it'll work. And what's really cool is when I preview it and we look at it for real, you can test out what it looks like. This is what it looks like on a computer. This is what it would look like on a tablet. And it works really good on a phone too. So if a student is using on a phone, they would be able to do the flashcards as well. It even reads out on the phone, which sounds great. So that's like a workaround. Instead of using a paid site, it all still works. There's more you can do with it, but it's completely functional.